Leavenworth, Washington. Only 2 hours from Seattle, yet a world apart from it. The breathtaking Bavarian village of Leavenworth is world-renowned for providing its guests with a unique and authentic German vacation experience. Sometimes called the Miracle Town, Leavenworth's inspiring story tells of the town's determined rise from a failing economic spin from the 1920s to 1960s into what has now become the highly popular, world-famous, Bavarian-themed class act. Always growing and expanding its possibilities, the village has attracted national and international attention for its stellar festivals, recreation, arts, and theater. Candy store, and it's curbside pickup only now during COVID-19, so here's what we got. I'm back here behind the candy store. You have your resident geese. Oh yes, seems like there's geese over. They don't like me. They were laying down, now they're moving. We can come right down here to the river. Wow, look how clear that water is. Candy factory has been here since 1961. It was one of the first Bavarian buildings built in Leavenworth. We're traveling with Susan and Bob, and we're going up to Lake Chelan here. We stopped at this little fruit stand, and I'm going to go and check it out. And they've got this old tractor out here. That's something. We're in the town of Chelan at Lake Chelan, Washington. And Lake Chelan is 50.5 miles long. It is the longest lake in Washington State. It's also one of the deepest, at about 1,600 feet. Pretty interesting stuff. Interesting facts about this old church. It's a log building. It was completed in 1898. So it's been here for quite some time. And it's been an Episcopal church, it looks like, the whole time. And the local Episcopalians established a logging camp at what is now the Granite Falls area to provide logs for the church, as well as money for construction. So it's pretty cool. Old log church. Amazing. They even have a little section called the Riverwalk here. I'm gonna go out here and check it out.
It goes around, I think. What kind of water is? Oh wow! It's really green in the summertime.
Blue green.
It's really pretty.
The water is really clear. You can see down quite a ways into it. Pretty nice.
Did you see a fish?
No, a little bird.
Oh. Hi guys.
The year-round population of Chelan is approximately 4,000 people, but in the summertime, when tourists arrive, it's about 25,000 people per day. People come here to enjoy the lake and the mild temperatures year-round. And U.S. Route 97, which runs south to Wenatchee, and Route 150, which runs west to Manson. These are both easy ways to get to Chelan. We are in the town of Cashmere, Washington, and we're getting lunch here at Rusty's Drive-In. It's been here since the 1940s. We are getting the fish and chips. Someone's recommended the halibut fish and chips. It's supposed to be really good, so we're looking forward to that. We're at Rusty's. They normally have a little picnic area back here where you can go and sit in the shade, but they have it all closed off due to the COVID-19. So we're gonna go across the little road here to this little pavilion and go sit at one of these picnic tables. They don't have this roped off. We're gonna go enjoy our lunch over here. We've made it to our boondocking location here in Idaho. It's just north of Coeur d'Alene in a little town called Spirit Lake. And they have quite a few acres here. I'm not sure exactly how many, but it's absolutely a beautiful location. They've got horses and goats and ducks. And, oh, yeah, speaking of horses, there they go. And here at our boondocking location, we also have 30-amp power and water provided at no charge. And here's a couple of goats here. I think we can go over here and visit here, at least show you the goats they have. Hi, guys. Hi. What you doing? Hi there, you're just gonna stand there and stare at us?
lick.
Trying to nibble on you. Oh, here. Rub my head. No, I don't want
Hi,
you to rub my
baby.
head.
Oh,
No.
look at
Look
you.
at you. Yeah, look at you.
What? Do you want your ears rubbed? What do you want? You
I
taste
want
it?
food. I
don't
want
have any
food. Oh, I'm
Look
gonna
at
bite you.
baby.
I bite you, huh? Yeah, I'm trying to get food.
Biting.
We're boondocking here in Idaho at Spirit Lake, and it's a working farm. They actually raise some horses. They also have goats, and they get fresh goat's milk. So one of the advantages of boondocking is that you get deliveries of fresh goat milk. Oh boy, I can't wait to try it. It's going to be good. Nothing like fresh goat's milk. Yep, that is some good milk. Fresh goat's milk. Wow.